Chapter 11. Rights, Duties, and Directive Principles. Constitution. When India gained independence from the British in 1947, the government needed a set of rules to run the country. So, some important leaders were chosen to put down a set of rules in a document called the Constitution. Our Constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950. We celebrate this day as Republic Day every year. Our Constitution is based on some major guiding rules or principles. These are as follows. Our country has a democratic form of government. The people choose or elect their own leaders, who form the government. All the people are equal no matter which religion they follow, and whether they are rich or poor. This is the principle of socialism. The people are free to follow the religion or belief of their choice. This is the principle of secularism. Therefore, India is known as a democratic, socialist and secular republic. Fundamental rights. Our Constitution gives us certain fundamental rights. Fundamental means basic, something that cannot be taken away from us. If somebody tries to take away such rights of a person, they can go to a court of law for support. Some of the fundamental rights of the people of India are given below. Right to equality. Everyone is equal, whether rich or poor, or belonging to any religion. Right to freedom of speech. Everyone can express their views and ideas. Right against exploitation. Our Constitution prohibits human trafficking, forced labor and employment of children under 14 years of age. Right to freedom of religion. Religious freedom is provided to all citizens. All people have the right to practice, profess and propagate the religion of their choice. Cultural and educational right. This right guarantees the citizens of India the right to maintain their own culture and language. It also allows people of religious and linguistic minorities to set up and run educational institutions of their choice to preserve and develop their own culture. Right to constitutional remedies. This right allows citizens to approach a high court or the Supreme Court if they believe that any of their fundamental rights have been denied. Fundamental duties. Apart from the fundamental rights given by the Constitution of India, it has given a set of duties which all of us have to perform. These are called fundamental duties. Some of them are given below. We must respect our Constitution and its principles. We must uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. We must value and preserve the rich heritage of the country's composite culture. We must respect the national flag and the national anthem. We must treat everyone as equal. We must protect our environment. We must not damage public property. We must promote the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India. Directive principles of the state policy. Our Constitution has some guidelines for the government. These are called the directive principles. The Constitution ensures that there are good living conditions for the people with all basic facilities like food, shelter and medical care. Everyone has a job. Government promote equal justice and free legal aid to poor. Every child gets compulsory education up to 14 years of age. The interests of people belonging to scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes should be protected.